Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the graph editor tutorial using CapCut PC. To stop using boring linear movement and learn how to use graph editor to create sleek, custom, and dynamic animations for text, photos, or elements. So in here, I'm going to use the background first. So I'm using this background and I'm going to add this PNG picture of a red car. Put it on top like this. I'm going to resize it a little bit. So now to create the graphs, you need to choose to add keyframe. First, I'm going to add keyframes in here on the transform, and also this second one here, and on the first one here, I'm going to just drag the car from here. So now the car will move just like that. And if you want a smoother animation, you can go to grabs here by clicking on the keyframe. I click on it, and there will be this option, show variable speed keyframe. So what you need to do is just adjust the keyframes in here to have smoother one, or you can also use the preset curves. Let's say I'm going to use the ease, so it will make your movements smoother. Quad in, rebound out. I think I'm going to just use the ease options in here, and when you're done, you can close this menu in here by clicking on it, and that's it. So that's the graph tutorial in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.